Hey, thank you for downloading the free meal plan, which allows you to keep sweets in your diet every single day. I just wanted to go through real quick and explain this for you so you know exactly what you're doing when you're using this plan. So this will only take a couple minutes. I'm going to run right through this. Write things down if you need to. Okay, so this is a free meal plan, and this shows you exactly a couple of the strategies we use in order to incorporate sweets every single day. So first of all, the most important thing you have to know before I get into this is what actually stores fat. So we've been told for years that eating fat stores fat or too many calories stores fat. And honestly, there's a little bit of truth to those things, which I won't get into right now. But the most important thing to need to know is what really stores fat, the science behind fat storage. And the science behind fat storage comes from when your insulin gets spiked a lot. And when this happens often, and when your body runs out of space to store that food. So insulin is not bad, but it's a carrier hormone. And once it gets spiked, like from eating sugar or high glycemic things, it has a higher capacity to store fat. So for example, if you're eating, for instance, like a sweet dessert, like made with typical flour and sugar, those are very fast digesting foods. And our body will store that sugar almost immediately after eating it. We can, depending on your genetics, you can store so much of it, but once you go over, that's when fat storage really starts to occur. And if you think about it, in our society, most people are eating like sodas all the time, and then they're having like breads, which just contributes to it as well. And then they're also having desserts, so we just have way too much of it. But the cool part about it is there are other ingredients that don't have the same harmful effects of sugar, but still taste just as good. So we use some ingredient substitution in here, which is one of our strategies to help you eat sweets daily while losing weight in order to prevent that insulin spike, prevent that fat storage. So instead of using regular flour, we use often coconut and almond flour, and many other ones too, even buckwheat in some cases. And for sweeteners, we use stevia, monk fruit, we use erythritol, and these sweeteners don't spike your insulin levels, therefore they don't store fat, okay? So looking at it in the other way here, so this is Biochemistry 101, by the way, and trainers will argue about this, but it comes straight from a biochemistry book. So detox days, the first 2 days on this plan are the hardest. The next 2 days are a little bit easier, some healthy stuff in there. And every single day, as you can see, there's a dessert incorporated. So I encourage you to follow it as close as you can. We do have some supplements included in this plan, which is totally your call if you want to get them. However, I do highly recommend them, especially during the detox portion, using the BioTrust Metabo Greens. And then, of course, the fat-burning protein powder is what I recommend the most. And Crave Fix, I only recommend if you're someone that has really strong, powerful food cravings. Of course, you can get this seats at the bottom right here. If you have really strong cravings, that stuff works like a charm. So I totally encourage that. And of course, we included the BioTrust Sweet Protein Bars, which are part of this meal plan. I think I put it in anyway. Maybe I didn't. No, I don't think I put that one in there. So that's optional. But we did include the BioTrust Sweet Protein Cookies just as a little, grab-and-go type dessert for one of the days. And these other desserts are awesome. They take you only, like as it says right there, only 5 minutes to make, the chocolate fudge. And the detox cookie recipe, also very short, and that's included in this. So guys, follow the meal plan as close as you can. If you need even more assistance, I made an even longer video, which is located at the link at the top, fitnutriticommit.com/lean-sweet-queen. And that will take you through in more detail as to how to keep sweets in your diets, all the 3 little-known strategies and techniques, or we call them secrets. It's a free short video, so definitely check it out if you want to learn more. We also offer a 21-day program, which you can also learn about on that page, which is a very small investment, and it takes you through step-by-step, each step of the way for like 3 weeks worth of this stuff, okay? Awesome stuff. I'd love for you to check it out, love for you to have it. I hope you learned a lot from just this video alone. And I'm Matt Michael. I'm here for you, and I will see you soon to help you even more on your journey. Thank you very much.